So all of you take down the homework question that is on your screen, and I've given you the answer as well. So make sure your answer matches this answer when you get it. Okay, you just have to use the same formula again, and whatever things we have done in the previous problems, you have to repeat it here, and you have to get this answer. Once you finish writing this question, please put one dot so that I understand you have made a note of the question. Okay, I'll give 30 seconds for all of you to complete, and then we'll go to the next homework question. Okay. Now the next homework question that you need to take. It is this. Your second homework question you need to take is this. I'll explain a little bit of logic, but in the meantime, you write down the question, and then I will tell you some logic. Okay, start. This is your homework 2. First copy it, put a dot that you have completed it, then I'll tell you some logic, and then you can manage it at home. Okay, start writing. Okay, now listen. Calculate the resistance per meter. Means I have to calculate R by L. Okay, I have to calculate R by L. Okay, I'll wait for you to complete. Okay, listen. Okay, now listen. If you have not completed, write latest here. Calculate the resistance per meter means I should calculate R by L. Means I have to calculate this separately. Okay, and of a Constantin wire of diameter 1.25. So diameter is given, that means radius is given, that means indirectly area is also given, correct? And the resistivity is also given. Therefore, I know resistivity is RA by L formula, correct? From this, I have to find R by L. I have to find just R by L. Therefore, tell me from the formula what is R by L equal to. Tell me what is R by L equal to from the formula. Can I say it is rho by A? Can I say it is rho by A? Correct. Is rho given in the question? Yes. Is area given in the question? Yes. This is how you get the answer. Okay. Because they have asked you directly resistance per meter. That means they have asked you R by L. This is the logic of the question. Now, as a homework, you can get the answer. And the answer that I want from you is 0.41. The answer, you please make a note. Answer, you should get it as 0.41 ohm per meter. Why ohm per meter? Because it is resistance per unit length, or resistance per meter. Resistance is ohm and length is meter. Therefore, it will be ohm per meter. So make a note. Answer is 0.41 ohm per meter. Clear? So I'll wait for 30 seconds more. You write this question. This is your homework 2. Okay. Any doubt anyone has, let me know. I hope everyone has made a note of the 2 homework questions and the answers. Okay. Yash is saying show the first question. Show the first homework question. Which was the first homework question? Yeah. Yes, this is the first homework question. Just check. This is the first homework question. Done. Okay. That's good. That is done. Very good. Okay. So now I'll go to the next topic, and the next topic is, we have done it in your school also, that is resistance in series and resistance in parallel. The topic is resistance in series and resistance in parallel. Last class we have done cells in series and cells in parallel. Today we are going to do something that is resistance in series and resistance in parallel. And you know, tell me yes or no, by now, that when resistors are connected in series, the formula for equivalent resistance is this. Just check whether this is the answer you're getting. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus dot 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 Rn. Tell me, have you seen this formula before in your school? That when resistances are connected in series, the formula will be Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dot 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 Rn. Correct? So make a note here also. Write down resistance in series side heading. Draw the diagram and write down when resistances are connected in series, the equivalent series resistance. This is called Rs. That means series resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus dot 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 Rn. Okay, start. This is called equivalent series resistance. Make a note of it. Finished writing? This is called your series resistance. Now, if you know what is series resistance, you will know what is parallel resistance also. And this will be the answer for parallel resistance. Just check. What is parallel resistance formula? 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus dot 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 1 upon Rn. Make a note of this formula. This is called resistance in parallel. Resistance in parallel, the formula is 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus dot 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 1 upon Rn, where what is N? Last resistor. N stands for last resistor. That means if there are 4 resistors, N is equal to 4. If there are 7 resistors, N is equal to 7. Okay, start. Make a note of this. Resistance in parallel, R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, and therefore 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus dot 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 1 by Rn. Therefore, please make a note of resistance in series and resistance in parallel quickly. Then we'll solve problems based on these two. This resistance in series and parallel. Very good. Yes. Now, listen. 3 resistances of value 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm are connected in series and parallel. Tell me what is the value for equivalent series resistance and equivalent parallel resistance. Start. This is the question. There are 3 resistors, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, and 6 ohm. First, they are connected in series and then they are in parallel. Okay. Okay, I'll show the last image once again. Okay. Take. Once you're done, just put a dot that you're done with this guy. Okay, can I go to the actual slide now? Finish all of you drawing this? Okay. Now start. 3 resistances of 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm are first connected in series and then connected in parallel. Find the equivalent series resistance and equivalent parallel resistance. Start. You have to find the equivalent series resistance and equivalent parallel. I want both the answers in a single message so that I can check whether you guys have given the right answer or the wrong answer. Start answering. So now listen to me. Let me show you the answer. Now, you know, in series, RS will be R1 plus R2 plus R3 because I have only 3 resistors this time. Therefore, RS will be 2 plus 4 plus 6. That is 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 2, 12 ohm. Therefore, RS will be 12 ohm. This is my first answer. If you have got RS equal to 12 ohm, your answer is correct because RS will be 12 ohm. Now the second part RP, now I have the formula 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 upon R3. Therefore, I have 1 upon RP is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. Therefore, what is the LCM of 2, 4, and 6? I think the LCM should be 12. Are you getting it? The LCM should be 12. Are you getting it? Just check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the LCM is 12. Therefore, what is the answer? 2, 6 are 12. So 6 plus 4, 3s are 12. Therefore, 3 plus 6, 2s are 12. Therefore, 2. Therefore, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 by 12. Listen to this. 2, 6 are 12 plus 4, 3s are 12 plus 6, 2, 11 by 12. And the most common mistake that people make is 1 by R, 1 by RP is 11 by 12. They leave the answer as it is. Your answer 11 by 12 is wrong because that answer is 1 by RP. And in the exam, they asked you only RP. Therefore, you have to take the reciprocal of RP. Therefore, your answer will be 12 upon 11. Just check. If you leave the answer as 11 upon 12, you will get the wrong answer because 11 upon 12 is 1 upon RP. But we want only RP. Therefore, you have to flip it. Therefore, RP is 11 by 12. Tell me if you have understood. You're getting it. Tell me how many of you got the right answer for this. Tell me how many of you got the right answer for this. Nisha, I am seeing your answer is correct. I am seeing Parth, your answer is correct. I am seeing Yash, did you understand your mistake now? Ronak, your answer I am seeing is correct. Tanish, did you understand your mistake now? Vidhi, very good. Meet, very good. Okay, others, tell me. All of you, did you understand how to get? Don't make a mistake of leaving it at 1 by RP. You have to flip it and make RP and also write the unit ohm because that also carries marks. Okay, so this is how you get the answer for RS and RP. So now I'll take you to the next question. Okay, same question. 3 resistances of 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 9 ohm are connected in series and then in parallel. Find out RS and RP. Start. I'll give you 1 complete minute to solve it. Okay, start. Okay, shall we start? I have not got answers from you. Just find out. Okay. I think RS, I will do it for you directly. So RS will be R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I will do RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Therefore, RS will be equal to 3 plus 6 plus 9. Okay, therefore 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Therefore, RS is 18 ohm. Therefore, RS is 18 ohm. Okay. Now find out the value for RP. Now find out the value for RP. Start. Anyone getting the answer for RP? I have given you the answer for RS. Now I want you guys to tell me the answer for RP. Okay, I've got few answers. I'll wait for others as well. Okay, now see this. 1 upon RP is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Therefore, can I say 1 upon RP is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 9. Now, what is the LCM of 3, 6, and 9? I think 18 would be the LCM of 3, 6, and 9. Very good. 3, 6 are 18, plus 6, 3s are 18, plus 9, 2s are 18. Therefore, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 by 18. But 11 by 18 is 1 by RP. Therefore, RP will be equal to 18 by 11 ohm. Check whether you're getting these answers. Therefore, if you're getting 18 and 18 by 11, your answer is correct. Let me know with yes or no, whether you have got both right. That is the first one as well as the second one. That is RS and RP. Very good, Yash. Rudraksh. Rudraksh, if you're wrong, just check which one is wrong. Parth, very good. Tanish, very good. Both the Tanish, very good. Others, just check where you're making a mistake. If you're not understanding, see where you're not making. And mainly, LCM should be very strong. Arya, very good. Okay, LCM should be extremely strong. Yeah, Rudraksh, I'm giving many examples, don't worry. Many more. So check. Okay, now, third example. 5 resistances, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, and 6 ohm are first connected in series and then connected in parallel. Tell me what is the equivalent series resistance and equivalent parallel resistance. Start. What is the equivalent series resistance and what is the equivalent parallel resistance? Okay, now let me at least give you RS value. What will be the value of RS first? Therefore, RS will be, since there are 5 resistances, R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. Therefore, RS is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 6, 16. Therefore, RS is 16 ohm. Therefore, I can say RS is 16 ohm. Now, RP will be 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Therefore, 1 by RP will be equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. So tell me, what is the LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6? Anyone?
12. 12.
Answer is 12, correct. Which is the lowest number that goes in all? Answer is 12. Okay. Therefore, 1 into 12 is 12 plus 2 into 6 is 12 plus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 4 into 3 is 12 plus 6 into 2 is 12. Therefore, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 3, 25 plus 2, 27. Therefore, my answer is 27 by 12. But that is 1 by RP. Therefore, RP will be equal to 12 by 27. Therefore, RP will be equal to 12 by 27. RS is equal to 16 and RP is equal to 12 by 27. Now tell me whether you have got this as the right answer. Tell me how many of you got this answer correct. Both RS as well as RP. Both answers correct means these two answers have to be correct. Many people are still getting only one right. So please, I will have to do 1 or 2 problems more. I want all of you to get all right. Okay, so I'll just give one more problem on this type. Then I go to the next type. But I want all of you to get confidence. Okay, one more, and I don't want any one of you to make mistakes. Okay, one more. Okay, and I'll increase the complexity. Okay, we'll start. Fourth question. I'll take 4 resistances of 4 ohm, 6 ohm, 8 ohm, and 40 ohm. Yeah, you can simplify it with no problem. Are first connected in series and then in parallel. Now tell me what will be the answer. Start. Time up. Time up. And I have got many answers, which I'm very happy. But what I'm not happy is I've got all different answers. Okay, many answers, but all different answers. But okay, let us first do RS like usual. Now I'll not write the formula. Now I'll directly tell you RS is equal to 58 ohm. Tell me if I need to elaborate on this or whether you know it. I am not elaborating. I'm not putting the formula. I'm assuming you can do that addition and give me the answer as 58. What we will do is we will do 1 by RP. Okay. Now, again, I'll not write the general formula. I will put 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 40. Now tell me, what is the LCM of 4, 6, 8, and 40?
120.
120.
Okay. If I tell you why not 40, because 6 does not go in 40, remaining things go in 40. Why not 80? Again, 6 does not go in 80. Therefore, 6 is the culprit. Therefore, can I say 120 is LCM? 4, how much is a 120? 4, 30 is a 120. 6, 20 is a 120. 8, how much is a 120? Can anyone tell me?
15.
And 40, how much is a 120?
3, sir.
Okay. So 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 15, 65. 65 plus 3, 68. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 15, 65. 66, 67, 68 upon 120. You can simplify it by 2, 3, 4, whatever. But now keep it like this. This is 1 upon RP. Therefore, RP will be 120 by 68. 120 by 68. The number which goes very well, I think, will be which one? 4. Or else which number can go? I think 4 goes very well. So if I take 4 as the can I write it like this? Or you want it?
17.
17. But can I write it like this, or are you comfortable with this? Anything is okay. But I'm not getting even this answer in your answers. I'm not even getting this answer in your answers. I'm getting something else in your answers. So that is a cause of concern. Now tell me frankly, how many of you got the right answer? People who have replied, I have seen your answers. I want at least by now, both should be correct. Okay, both should be correct, RS and RP. Okay, if you have got correct, yes, no problem. You can write the answer in decimal. If you have got the answer of 30 by 17 as 1.7, that is fine. That is correct. No problem. But otherwise, RS also, many of you are getting it right. I want RP to be right for all of you. So are you getting RP correct? Let me know. We have done 4 problems based on this. Tell me if you can manage now, or you need one more problem, or we are good to go to the next set of questions. Please reply individually. What do you feel? Okay. Are we good to go to the next set of problems, or you need to practice one more type, means one more example? Okay, answer individually. Okay, so most of you are saying one more problem, and others are saying we can manage. Good. People are saying who can manage. Very good. I'm very happy. People are saying one more. Last one for all of you. Okay, last one. For that, log off and log into the next session. Ronak, stop the recording.